Operators, listen in and gear up. Our international surveillance team have picked up signals from an underground hacking group known as Helix. They have successfully intercepted our security systems and missile silos. They have made threats to us if we do not follow their demands. We have suspicions the hackers are ex-MI6. We have tracked down their location and are sending the best operators we have. You, it is up to you to apprehend them, take their systems offline, and put an end to their attacks. Join the fight.
Game on! Game on! Don't forget, single shot once you're in the crypt. On the right, on the right. Get in there, Red! Get in there! On the right. Not hit. Hit.
Well done, stop pushing up. Get some corners.
Paul, where are you? Fuck it, I'm gonna cross bollocks to it. Ah, hit, good shot. Dead man! Oh, fucking in the bushes. Ah. Ah, hit, good shot. Oh, fucking hell. So I can come clear the shoot round, yeah?
Yeah, you're clear on that part. I can't see round, you know, round that corner there. That seems to be red. That seems to be red. Red, red.
Yeah, red.
I'm gonna try and go on that side.
Yeah.
Right.
You want to take this?
I've got to try and hold that at the same time.
Hit, hit. Do I just leave that?
I believe so.
Coming on the outside. Well done, mate. Doing really well.
You red?
Red's coming through, red's coming through. Red's on your left. That's it, Reds. Okay, okay. Guys, can you see anything?
Good shot.
Hit! Yep, one down, keep moving, Red, go, 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 go! In. Red's in, Red's in, go, 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 go! There's one right there! Move, move, move! Red, go, 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 now's the time!
Push, push, push!
Go, 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 go!
I'm stuck, I can't
Move
move.
the ball over to the left. Good shot. Dead man, coming out, coming out! Dead man!
Hit. Coming out. Wait.
Yeah, hit. Oh, it's gone there. Get in, nice and tight. Yeah.
Hit, nice one. Oh my god. Fucking webbing. Where do you want me to look?
Too late.
You crossed at the worst time as well, right in front of him. Oh, hello.
And lucky down there.
Hang on, I've got me on my sights. Come on, poke your fucking head out. Poke your fucking head out.
Mate.
Yeah, he might be that side.
No, it's gone right that door.
Yeah, it might be him running round.
Just watch our backs, guys, in case he comes round.
Yeah, they're there.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I think we both got him.
Oh, bollocks to it, I need range. Oh, get in the holster.
Pull down there.
Can't see nothing, and the guy we need to get is literally there.
Not literally there. Oh, no.
Come and get me, mate. I'll kiss it better, it's fine.
He's a good kisser.
We need someone to flank that way round and look in that way.
Yeah.
Red.
Yeah,
Okay, cool. Red.
Did you shoot you in the back of the head?
I did hear you in the back of the head, I'm sorry.
Hit! Dead man!